Hey everybody, check this out. We're gonna do a paint pour.
Yep.
And so we have a little canvas here.
Right here, and some colors here.
We got colors here. What color is this?
Blue.
And that one?
Teal.
This?
Light pink. Sort of magenta.
Yeah, and the last one?
Purple.
Cool. And then this is our white paint. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the white paint down and we're gonna spread it so it's nice and covered.
Are we gonna do like a big splat and then we're gonna use this and spread it?
Exactly.
I knew it.
All right, here goes. Okay, can you spread it flat like it's like frosting? Just make it even all the way across. Try not to let any run off the edge. So we've taken our paints and we've mixed it with floetrol and a little bit of water. The ratio is 2 parts floetrol to 1 part of the paint, and I'd say like another 1 part of water. So it becomes a little bit runny and it pours pretty easy. We don't want it thick. We mix it up really good, and then we added 2 drops of silicone into each cup. And that's gonna kind of make them fight each other and give us some separation. Putting this base layer of the white is gonna give the paint a chance to flow over this white base, and it's going to let it spread out a little bit, and otherwise it would just kind of like get stuck to the canvas and stay there. But again, that would be a whole nother part of the experiment. Try this out, it's lots of fun. Gotta wait till it's all consistent.
All right.
This is gonna help when we run off the edges. Now, and you see that we have this lifted up, and there are some thumbtacks underneath there, push pins.
It's like a table.
So it's like a little table, exactly.
Except for food, there is paint.
Right, okay, so we want it to be kind of flowy and smooth. Look at that, like we frosted a cake.
Except we frosted the canvas with paint and not frosting.
All right, look at that. Oh, look at that. Nice.
Then just gonna do a big dot.
Yeah?
Yeah. And it's dripping.
Oh, this is gonna be fun.
I know, but I don't know what I'm doing.
You're doing great. Let's just get those colors down.
And I only have purple. There.
All right, good job.
I don't know how this is gonna turn back.
We're gonna find out.
Fingers crossed.
Yes.
Anyone?
All right, we got the white band. This will be the top coat just across the edge, that back edge there. All right, all the way from edge to edge. A little more. No, 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 no. Over here, just here. Yeah, there you go. Right up to the corner. There you go. That's good. Okay. And stop.
I think we need more.
No, we're gonna be good. You'll see.
Okay. All right, because we're gonna switch.
All right, we're gonna use a little bit of this.
Yep.
Now watch this. This is crazy. We want to get a flat edge.
Okay.
Okay. And we're gonna get right up here to your paint. And you see how the edge is white?
Whoa.
And we're just gonna drag it lightly across.
It's floating. It looks like it's hard. OMG. That is crazy.
What do you think?
Wow.
Is it doing what you wanted it to do?
Yes. That's amazing.
Pretty awesome.
It's crazy.
Do we get cells?
Totally.
We got cells.
I think I'll get like. I think I would get like. I think I would get like $70 more.
You think we can sell this one $70 million?
No, that's 70.
Oh, that's awesome.
That's 70 million.
Nice, I hope so.
It's pretty cool too.
All right, we're gonna hit it with a little torch. Apparently that removes air bubbles. Sometimes it adds cells, but I think we got some pretty amazing cells already. Wow, look at that. Okay, we're gonna clean up the edges a little bit.
Can I do the other ends?
I'm gonna get this side here.
Can I do this side?
You wanna get that side?
Yeah.
Here you go. All right. Now then, I want to tilt it a little bit. Watch this.
Guess what's
Hang
my
on.
favorite part?
I don't know,
All of it.
but watch.
Oh boy.
What do you think? You see how that stretched it out a little bit? Do you like it?
Yeah.
That's really cool.
So do we do
Alright.
it the other way? Or is it fine like that?
I like it. So here it is after it's all dry. And as you can see, the shine has gone away. But it sure is cool. You can see the metallics in there. What we're gonna do is give it a clear coat and see all those colors come back. All right, we got it on some cardboard. We got our rust-oleum crystal clear enamel. We shook it up real good and watch it go from matte to shiny. Do 2 light coats just in each direction so we don't have any like banding. I'm gonna let this dry and see how it looks. I gotta tell you guys, this was a really fun project for me and my daughter to do together. It's creative, it's scientific. We're like shocked with awe and wonder at how amazing this comes out. It's like the colors are battling each other when you add that silicone, and it's pretty darn cool. Anyway, we really appreciate your watching and giving us likes, thumbs ups, sharing the video, and joining the channel. Subscribe. We've got all sorts of interesting stuff. Thanks again. Hope you're having a great day. Bye-bye. You can also check the links in the description below if you want to get some paint supplies to get you started.